Today, I'll show you how to upload a zip file to GitHub. If you're looking to share your project with the world or just want to back up your files in a secure place, GitHub is a fantastic platform to use. Let's dive into the process and make it as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll want to open GitHub and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find a plus icon. This is your portal to creating new projects. Click on that plus icon and then select New Repository from the drop-down menu. This will set the stage for your project. Next up, it's time to name your repository. This is crucial because it will be the identity of your project on GitHub. Think of a name that's descriptive and easy to remember. After naming your repository, you'll need to decide on the visibility status. If you want anyone to see your project, choose Public. If you'd prefer to keep it under wraps, go for Private. There's also an option to initialize your repository with a README file. This is recommended as it helps others understand your project better. Once you've made these choices, go ahead and click Create Repository. Now that your repository is ready, you'll find yourself on a new page dedicated to it. Look for the Add File drop-down button, which is located near the top right area of the file grid. Click on this button and select Upload Files. This is where the magic happens. At this point, you need to prepare your files for upload. Ensure that the folders and source code files you want to upload are unzipped. Once that's done, you can simply drag these files from your computer and drop them directly into the designated box on your web browser. It's as easy as that. With your files now sitting in the upload box, scroll down to the Commit Changes section. Here, you'll need to add a short title summary for your commit. Think of this as a headline that describes what you're uploading. For instance, you might write something like Initial Commit of Project Files. This makes it clear what changes have been made. After you've added your summary, click on Commit Changes. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your files to GitHub. This process not only helps in sharing your work with others, but also ensures that your hard work is backed up safely online. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just keeping your projects organized, GitHub is an invaluable tool for developers of all levels. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more features on GitHub. There's a lot you can do once your files are uploaded, from version control to collaborating with other developers. Remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding.